Ever stared at a mountain of cryptocurrency exchanges and wondered which one is right for me? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the heavyweight clash between two titans, Coinbase and Gemini. Both are reputable, secure platforms, but which one reigns supreme? Coinbase. The name practically rolls off the tongue. It's the user-friendly giant, the one your friend who just dabbled in Dogecoin probably used. But is user-friendly synonymous with best-in-class? Then there's Gemini, the Winklevoss twins' brainchild. It boasts a squeaky clean reputation and focuses on a more institutional feel. But is that focus alienating everyday investors like you and me? Fear not, crypto comrades. We're here to unpack the features, fees, and functionalities of both these platforms so you can make an informed decision. Coinbase, the gateway drug to crypto. Let's face it, Coinbase is easy to use. Their interface is sleek, intuitive, and perfect for beginners. They offer a curated selection of major cryptocurrencies, making it a safe space to dip your toes in the crypto pool. Plus, they have educational resources built right in, so you can learn as you go. But hold on to your mining rigs, because here's the not-so-pretty side. Coinbase fees can get sneaky. Their basic structure might seem straightforward, but those percentages can add up quickly, especially for frequent traders. Gemini, the sophisticated investor's playground. On the other side of the spectrum, we have Gemini. This platform screams regulation and security. They focus on a smaller pool of major cryptos, but their focus on compliance makes them a favorite with institutional investors. Here's the kicker, Gemini boasts some of the lowest trading fees around, especially for frequent traders who utilize their active trader platform. It's like a members-only club for serious crypto enthusiasts. But Gemini's strength can also be its weakness. Their interface, while secure, can be a bit daunting for beginners. It lacks the hand-holding approach of Coinbase. So, throwdown time, Coinbase versus Gemini. Alright, let's get down to brass tacks. Here's a breakdown of the key factors to consider. Crypto selection. Coinbase offers a wider variety, while Gemini focuses on major players with stricter regulations. Fees. Gemini generally has lower fees, especially for high-volume traders. However, Coinbase fees might be easier to understand for beginners. Security. Both platforms are top-notch in terms of security. User interface. Coinbase wins for user-friendliness. Gemini caters to a more experienced audience. The verdict, it depends. Here's the truth bomb, there's no single better platform. It all boils down to your individual needs. Coinbase is your pick if you're a beginner, prioritize a wide selection of cryptos, and value a user-friendly interface. Gemini is your champion if you're a frequent trader, prioritize low fees, and value a secure, regulated environment, even if it means a steeper learning curve. Remember, diversification is key in the crypto world, and the same applies to your exchange choices. You can dabble in Coinbase for its user-friendliness and explore a wider range of coins, while using Gemini for serious, high-volume trades to take advantage of their lower fees. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto adventuring.